friends, and welcome back to another episode of Fundayz. My name is Captain Fun and this is Freddie, and welcome. Now friends, I can smell something. Can you smell that?
Yeah.
What do you think it is? Let's go and investigate it. Come on. Oh, of course, Freddie. I totally forgot. We threw the snags on the barbie. Look. Whoa, they look delicious. Oh, look. It's the Funbox, friends. It's time to open up the Funbox. See what we're going to be up to. Wow. Oh, it is the fun machine. Look at that. That's so cool. We're going to be jumping in the fun machine. And look, we've got a tipper truck.
No, dump truck.
A dump truck, okay. Freddie likes to call them dump trucks. And we've got an excavator. Look at that. Wow, and we've got a hard hat as well. I wonder what we're going to be doing. I reckon we open up the fun book and we have a look at some clues. Look, there's a skid steer. Look at that. And we've got an excavator and we've got a dump truck here, Fred. Wow.
But I think we're going in another excavator.
You want to go on an excavator? Well, it looks like we're going to be doing something. You've got your hard hat there. Friends, I think we need to jump in the fun machine and jump on an excavator, I think. But before we do that, we need to go and have a snag on some bread. Alrighty. Oh, yum. Look at that. These are ready, Freddie. Let's go. Here we go. A little bit of onion for you, buddy. Tomato sauce, friends. Oh, there we go. Look, you're licking your lips, aren't you? Now, don't bite that yet, otherwise it'll scald your lips. All right, now I'll jump in here. There we go. Perfect. Bit of sauce. Perfect. And let's jump in the fun machine and go and see what we're going to be doing. Come on. All aboard the fun machine. We'll see you down there, friends. Where we're going to go, I don't know. Hopefully it's on an excavator. Bye. Ooh, here we go, Fred. This fun machine is so powerful. And look, Fred, we're going over Australia. Look at that. Oh, we're here, friends. All right, we're landing. Whoa, friends. Look where we are. And whoa, there's an excavator. Come on, do you want to come watch? That's so cool, hey? Whoa, Freddie. It's got an arm on it that's moving all the soil. Look at that.
But why is it a little bit broken?
A little bit broken? What, the soil?
Yeah.
That's because it's all dug up. Whoa, look at the tricks. Oh, that's crazy. Wow. Look at the size of that digger. Whoa. So much bigger than the other one. How cool is that? Those tricks are amazing.
Excavator?
Yeah, look at that. Whoa. Got a big arm. Wow. Got a horn as well.
Why does it got a horn?
Just so people keeps people safe. He's on 2 wheels. Wow. Wow. Wow, Freddie. It's a tipper truck. Look at this. Whoa. Look at this, Fred. Going up. Wow. That's so cool. Look how big it is, Fred. Is that cool? Yeah. Whoa. Comes back down. When it's emptied all of its stuff out. So cool. Say bye, truck. Bye, tipper truck. Wow. Oh, Fred, I just got an alert from the fun machine. We're out of here, friends. Hey, thank you so much for joining us on today's episode. What an amazing journey that was, coming and seeing all this machinery. Freddie had a go, he did so well, and we look forward to seeing you on next week's episode. Until then, bye!